Hello, let's summarize about the vacuole. In my last video, I had given some information about vacuoles, and I'm here to summarize those information. Here, the heading is vacuole. Vacuole. Okay. Vacuoles are especially found in plant cells. Okay. This is the plant cell. If we take it, plant cells are rectangular or circular. Okay, and most of the space in plant cell is occupied by give me a moment. Most of the space of plant cell is occupied by vacuole. Okay? Then rest of the materials are present. Okay? This is vacuole. And this is cell wall, cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm, and this is the plant cell. Vacuoles retain water, and it is responsible for the freshness of any vegetable or plant. When we keep the vegetable for 7 days or more, it will become shrinks, because during this period the vacuole starts to lose water. So the freshness of the stem or any fruit or flower becomes lost, or it loses its freshness due to lack of water. So vacuoles are responsible to retaining the water. Okay, 1 minute. And there are two types of vacuoles are found. Animal cells have vacuoles, but few in number and tiny in size. It has no important function or such important functions in animal cells. But prokaryotes have two types of vacuoles. Vacuoles. There are two types of vacuoles in prokaryotes. One is food vacuole, other is contractile vacuole. Okay. Contractile vacuole. Food vacuole is meant for ingestion. Ingestion means intake of food, and contractile vacuole is meant for osmoregulation. Osmoregulation, that is for water balance. Okay. Here the contractile vacuole is spoke-like, wheel-hub-like structure, and there are example. Here, example is amoeba, paramecium. Okay. Paramecium. This is the contractile vacuole. Okay. And see, these are the spokes which give it a flower-like structure, and this is also called as radial canal. Okay. Yeah, this is spokes or radial canal, and this is hub. So the water enters through this spokes from outside the wall or outside the cytoplasm, and water expels out when the contractile vacuole is filled or cell is filled with water. It expels out through the pores of hub, and that's why it forms a wheel hub structure. Okay, wheel hub structure. And this is the structure of contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole. Okay. Besides osmoregulation and food ingestion, there are other functions of vacuole. That means that those are vacuole also store proteins and lipids. In short, it acts as a storage house. Okay, storage house. Yeah. In seeds, the reserve material are stored in the uh, vacuoles, and in flower petals, vacuoles store nectar, other reserve food with fragrance. Okay, which helps in attracting the insects. They help in pollination in return of such food and nectar. Okay, so here vacuole plays a role in pollination also, and another important function is protection from whom it protects from herbivore animals. Sometimes vacuoles contains some toxic materials which are distasteful for herbivores. Once they feel it is very distasteful or toxic for them, they won't take the same plant for this reason. Thus, it protects. Thus, vacuoles helps in protection or prevention of or prevention of herbivore animals from eating the plants. Okay, these are some functions of vacuoles. I hope it is clear now. Thank you for watching. Bye. These are all about vacuoles. Okay.